Hello everybody, today I'm here with another video to show you another product I was interested and I purchased it today to see how's it. Before I used to squeeze my lemon and lime when I had a lot, like people comes over so I need a lot of juice. I used to use this. But sometimes you need only one lemon or one lime to squeeze it, so I used to use this. So as you see, it was getting old. As I wash it, it's still like it's getting old because I had this long time ago. So it was very handyman for me. So I went to the store and I was looking for this, but I find something new and interesting. I find this lime and lemon squeezer, but both, I can do both now. Before I used to do just only lemon with this, not the lime. So for the lime I have to use the other one, but I find this. So I'm going to show you to see if it works or no. Okay, I cut my lemon, so I'm going to cut my lime too. As you see, this is working too. So let's see if it works like the other one or not. So I put this. My lemon doesn't have that much juice, so it doesn't come so. This is for that. And this is for lime. Perfecto! Oh yeah, I'm gonna go with this product. It's good. So I take juice, but I didn't want to put a lot of time right now to show you guys, so I just go for a little bit of the time to show. So very good product. You see? Be happy with that. Thank you for watching us. Please share, like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.